Hey everybody, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax here in Pompano Beach, Florida. We're your local Boston whaler dealer here in South Florida. Today we're going to do a quick walk through this gorgeous 2025 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. Just came in right from the Miami Boat Show. First thing you know is this is the new Abaco blue gel coat hull. You see the color match underneath the hardtop. Standard dive door on this model. It's amazing. So well done. Stainless steel rub rail, pair of white 300 Merc V8s, underwater lights, recessed trim tabs. One of the best running Boston whalers they've ever built. You still have a regular swim ladder here through the walkthrough. Standard live well and bait prep station here. This one has the optional second live well. Rod holders everywhere. Rocket launchers on the hardtop, VHF radio. Pull-out bench sheet here when you're not fishing and you want more seating. JL audio speakers with the premium audio system everywhere. Big fish boxes in the floor. Love how this dive door opens on the inside, so if you're on a floating dock, it's really easy to get on and off. Gorgeous helm with the second Simrad 12-inch GPS, full DTS controls, electronics box up here in the hardtop. Combing bolsters everywhere. Glove box. You even have an electric vent that opens up to get some fresh air through. Gorgeous bow seating area with a coffin box with storage. Concealed windlass with hand controls up here. These are for your bow shade system poles. Everything stores in this huge box. People can't believe all the storage space inside here. Rod holder storage, everything you need. Spreader lights fore and aft. We'll do a little tour of the head here also. This makes the women happy. You have a vacuum flush toilet, so fresh water, no smell. Separate holding tank. You actually have a shower in here. You can change in here. Really nice setup. That's dedicated storage right there for your dive door ladder. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida, your local Boston whaler dealer here. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Quick panorama of our marina here. Give us a call today. Thanks for watching.